All right, well, what's going on, guys? All right, we're back in the shop and we're building a little muffler today. I believe Josh said it's a Cummins powered sailboat. It's a sailboat with a Cummins motor in it. Drawing he made for us, and we got our material kind of sheared up here. As I gotta punch some holes and some stuff for the 2-inch pipe, and then we got some V-bands for them to weld on inside the boat. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this muff. Right, what do you think of a muff? Alright, so we gotta do this little downspout, and I think this is the inlet and that's the out. I'm not 100% sure. Picked up this 90-degree 2-inch pipe from Lyle's. Basically all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zip that, put this end in here, put this end in here, you know, kind of that deal. If you want 6 inches down, so might be able to come up into here a little bit. Right, yeah, that'll be perfect. Right there, make a slice there. Go straight down, and that'll go boop. And then we'll weld, picked up these 2-inch V-bands also from Lyle's. Some of those, we can weld those to everything. And then we'll just have to pop some holes in here, and then get it in. So I got it mostly welded up on the backside. We'll get these all cleaned up, and then we'll pop, pop. Alright, so you can see I got my 6 inches down there, 2-inch. I welded on the V-band already. I haven't cut the hole in the side yet. This pipe's basically gonna be, you know, right up from there. Alright, well, I just drilled a hole in the bottom of this muffler after we got the inlet welded in. Went out to Home Hardware, picked up a 1/4-inch MPT coupler. Got a little 1/4-inch bung to go in there, so that way you can seal it up, but that way they can drain it. As you can see, it's a little long on the inside here, so I'll just trim that down so that there's still some thread there, but not too much. All right, my battery died, but yeah, this is where we're at now. So we welded another V-band onto the 90 that's going down. The straight, this has got the 6 inches that he wanted. Put that up as high as we can to kind of avoid water. I'm assuming that's what that's for. Welded in this drain bung. Now I'm basically going to, I'm going to stitch up some more of the inside. I'm going to put the outside cover back on for the first time. Clean up some of these welds a little bit. And ooh, that's hot. And then we just got to weld some tabs on the, sweet. Alright, well, it's all done. It's all welded up. Thanks to Lyle's for our exhaust parts. This baby's going to Heddle Marine to go in a ship, a sailboat. I don't really know. Hopefully Josh will send us some pictures and some stuff of this baby installed, because really I'm intrigued on where it's going and what it's doing. Until next time, I'll see you guys.